Number 4. This time I have 3 problems and 3 fractions and no whole number. So before I forget, I'm going to make a quick estimate. This is about 1 and this is about a half. I would say that this is going to be less than 2, greater than a half, 1, yeah, greater than a, oh wait, let's see. I'd say it's going to be less than 2 because this is about 1 and this is a half plus a little bit more. Alright, that makes sense to me. Okay, so again, if you want, if you're feeling confident, go ahead and pause the video, solve this problem, and then check your work with mine. If you don't know what to do, then solve this with me. I see that we have 3 different denominators here. We have 14, 2, and 7. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm going to take the 2 that are smaller to see if I can count to this larger denominator amount. So can I count by 2s and get to 14? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yes, I can. Can I count by 7s and get to 14? 7, 14. Yes, that works too. So very carefully and neatly, I might need to even go down here to the bottom so I have enough room. I'm going to make an EFT for 1/2, and then I'm going to make an EFT for 2/7. That way it gives me plenty of room to work in my box. 1/2 is 2 4s, 3 6, 4 8s, 5 10s, 6 12s, 7 14s. And 2 7s is going to double to get 4 and double to get 14. So there's my common denominator. I'm going to rewrite all of this so that it goes all together. 13 14ths plus 7 14ths plus 4 14ths. And we add all the 14ths together. So if I'm at 13 and I add 7, that gives me 20 14ths. Just like GMA, kind of rewriting it. 20 14ths plus 4 14ths gives me 24 14ths. Now that's a really large improper fraction. So I need to think to myself, how many groups of 14 are in the number 24? Some of you will be able to answer that very easily and get a number. Try that. Some of you who cannot do that, you might find yourself making some dots and circling groups. Do what you feel is comfortable, pause the video, and then check yourself. When I think about 24 divided by 14, or how many groups of 14 are in 24, I know that I can get one whole group with 10 left over, because 24 minus 14 is 10, and my denominator stays the same. When I look at this number though, I think to myself, this is an even number and an even number, and it can be cut in half. So if I divide the top number by 2 and the bottom number by 2, I will get a new fraction mean. So don't forget about your 1, bring that over, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. Your final answer is 1 5/7. I'll see you back for our last problem.